everyone, my name is Minoshka Dias. I'm a vocal performer, a vocal teacher and an architect by profession. I've been told that I've been singing all my life since I was a child, but I started taking music lessons at the age of 7, and it all started from there, and there was no looking back since then. So I studied music, answered my vocal grades, performed, as well as pursued my degree in architecture simultaneously. Now, all of this being creative fields, they were also equally time demanding. So it was a little difficult to balance, but then when you're doing something you love doing, you don't really feel like it's a burden. It was quite enjoyable, and I think I managed to balance it quite well. That's a really tough one because so many people have influenced me, be it people from around Goa or international artists. But if I have to name a few, I'd like to name Whitney Houston, Beyonce, Alicia Keys. These are the people who greatly inspire me to tap into different genres of music. My journey with Fado began rather unexpectedly. So I happened to participate in this competition, Portuguese singing competition, and the song that I picked happened to be a fado. And from there it all kind of began. I was encouraged by Sonia Chirzat, who is a renowned fadista here in Goa. She encouraged me to participate more, learn more fados. She even guided me, and I performed at a lot of venues and a lot of concerts singing the fado, something that I had not done before. So that was a nice experience. As a vocal performer, as a vocal teacher, I have to say that this lockdown has greatly impacted my life. But positively, what I started doing was started researching about things that would help me to be more accessible to my audience. And as a vocal teacher, I realized that I had to bridge this gap that had been created. So I started reworking around all my processes, my teaching processes, my teaching mediums. And in the bargain, I also realized that I got the opportunity to reach out to people and to students beyond the state of Goa. So that was one of the things that I took away from the lockdown period. I also worked on a lot of other skills that I had perhaps been too busy because we had shows, there was work, there were so many other things to do that working on skills always kind of took a step back. So the lockdown helped me slow down, take a breather and just learn new things. How the lockdown affected my personal life is kind of hilarious. So I was never the kind of person who would voluntarily step into the kitchen. So I started experimenting with food, trying to cook, and I was quite successful at it, if I might add. And so all in all, I know it was a lockdown and we were all disconnected, but then it was the perfect opportunity to connect with yourself, I think. So I always, since the lockdown began, try to look at it positively and took this as an opportunity to work on myself for a change, just slow down and work on myself. I also got into a lot of lyric writing, trying to compose music, trying to collaborate with people to compose new music. So that is something that is in the pipeline, and hopefully it'll be out very soon. My advice to Goan artists is that don't be too shut down or discouraged because of this lockdown. I encourage them to take this positively, like how I did, learn new things and learn new ways of trying to reach out. I know that physical connection now has reduced so drastically, but we need to tap into the medium of the internet because that seems like the future, the near future. So try to learn new things, be happy, try things that you hadn't done before. Aside from music, perhaps learn new other things, and honestly, that will really help everybody to stay sane and stay happy. Thank you so much, Paul, for taking this wonderful initiative of showcasing so many Goan musicians, their lives, their stories. So kudos to you for that. And thank you people, thank you the viewers for tuning in and watching our videos. Please follow Paul and also follow me. Links to both our channels are in the description below. So please do like, subscribe to our content. We'll always try to make wonderful stuff that you can always enjoy. And thank you so much once again. God bless.